Hello and welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. I'm your host Rene, and today we are doing the second part of the Icewind Dale Rime of the Frostmaiden booster case. This is the second brick, and then I quickly unwrap the foil and we shall start. So I untaped the boxes already, so we don't have to do that in the video, and I'll start with the first one. So excited what this booster brick brings to us. That is a reindeer. As I said in the last video, reindeers are very cool because if you want to role play them right, you need a lot of them. And the smaller ones are always in those bags here. And here we got a Chwinger with a snowball. That's the second one we got. And here I think that's a sled dog. Also the second one we've got. You can't have too many of them. Yeah, maybe you can, but sled dogs you need a lot of them for playing with sleds, for example. And the last miniature of this booster is a Auroch Ranger. As you can see, that's a huge medium-sized miniature, so it's good bit bigger than the reindeer. Let's move to booster number 2. Let's see, what are you gonna get here? And that's already the huge rare of this booster brick, and this is the Frost Giant skeleton. Yeah, that's a huge thing. And here, oh, there's something is broken. Oh yeah, that's the bow of the human hunter here. That is broken. That's the second broken miniature in this booster case. Haven't had that in a long time. And here we got a small Arctic fox. Also our second one. The human ranger, also our second one. And this is the second Durgar Stone Guard. Very nice miniatures. I love the Frost Giant skeleton. I think it's even taller than the normal Frost Giant. We're gonna have a look at that. Here for comparison. It's slightly taller, I think. Maybe it's just the stance, but yeah, Frost Giant and Frost Giant skeleton. Very nice miniatures. Love it. Up to booster number 3. Let's see what we are gonna get more of. Oh, that's our second snowy owlbear. Maybe a small owlbear enclave in a wood. Seems like a plan. And here is our second Durgar Mindmaster. With the Durgar you can do a lot of crazy stuff in Underdark too. And here we have Avaris. I think that's a tiefling in the Icewind Dale adventure. And yeah, you can easily use that as a mage or better a cleric in as a player character too. Why not? Here we have a night hag. Ooh, that's painted very well. That's so well painted. Awesome. And that's for booster number 3. Up to the 4th one. And yeah, I love to get duplicates of the right creatures. Oh, here we got another, let me butcher the name, Abominable Yeti. And again, the index finger is broken. Not good, WizKids, not good. I love the reprints, but the quality of the miniatures can't hold up. That's very sad. That's very sad. Here's a Chwinga with an icicle spear. That's our 2nd one, or 4th Chwinga. And here's our 3rd Knucklehead Trout. And our 2nd Kobold Vampire Spawn. Also very cool mini. I like the vibrant red of those vampire spawns because it's not like most of undead that they're looking dead. Haha. Yeah, vibrant in the color. Very cool idea. So let's go on to booster number 5. And oh, that is a winter wolf. Yeah. Very well done. Also can be used as a dire wolf. Your druid players will love it. As an enemy, not so much. Here, one of those funny gnome squidlings again, which is walking on its chin tentacles. Funny little dude. And here we got another Kobold Mountaineer. Kobolds are very useful for a lot of situations, even as a quick encounter. And the last is a Yeti tyke. Small little Yeti, ready to go big. Then up to booster number 6. That's a frost salamander. I love how big those frost salamanders are and looking incredibly nice. Very subtle, but very nice. And what do we got here? That's our 2nd mountain goat. Also nice miniature to get to have. And here, ooh, that's what I like. A flint trapper. Another null to my collection. I think I do not have enough nulls right now, but maybe after this booster brick. Or maybe after this case. And here we have our 2nd snow goblin. It's just a goblin with a fur, but never know. You can use goblins a lot. then I go with this one. That's number 7. Ooh, that's our second mammoth. Love this big furry elephant. So well done. Easy and well done. Not a complicated painting on that. It's just well done miniature. And this is another form of the maiden, the coat crown. Love this translucent cloak. That's so well done. What do we got here? That's our first wolf. That's the creature you need a lot, I think, for every encounter in the woods. But sadly, our first one. Hopefully we got a lot more. And here's our third Chwinger with a snowball. Love it. I don't know what they do exactly with those Chwingers outside of the Icewind Dale adventure, but maybe I got some ideas in the future. Up to the last one. I'm excited. That's our second killer whale. Love the part that the whole whale is made, so it's not cut here into the waves, so you can see in the translucent waves the complete whale. It's very well done. Yeah, love it. Very cool. What are we here? Yeah, that's a ragged nomad with cage. Which cage that ever will be, but that's our second one. As a tribal warrior, every time a good target. And here is our second Durga Mindmaster. And another Nomad, what was it? Ragged Nomad with a spear this time. And as you can see, it's most of the time the spear is bent. Yeah, and this was the last of this booster brick. This was the second booster brick of the case. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel, share it with your friends. I would appreciate your support, and see you the next time. Bye!